Hey riders! Welcome back to Mechanical Boost, your go-to place for all things motorcycles. Today we are diving into a crucial topic that every biker needs to know about, the symptoms of failing clutch plates in your bike. Let's firstly discuss the function of the clutch plate. The primary function of clutch plates is to engage and disengage the connection between the engine and the transmission. This allows the rider to change gears smoothly without stopping the engine. Signs of failing clutch plates in bike. 1. Slipping clutch. Clutch plates are responsible for transferring engine power to the transmission. When these plates wear out, they lose their ability to grip effectively. As a result, the engine's power isn't fully transmitted to the wheels, causing the engine to rev higher, without a proportional increase in speed. 2. Difficulty shifting gears. The clutch must fully disengage to shift gears smoothly. If the clutch plates are worn, or if there is an issue with the clutch mechanism, such as a stretched clutch cable or hydraulic system problem, it can prevent complete disengagement, making it hard to shift gears. 3. Strange noises. Worn-out clutch plates, or issues with the clutch release mechanism can cause unusual noises. Grinding sounds might occur if the plates are damaged, or if there is a misalignment. Squealing or chirping could be due to insufficient lubrication or worn-out bearings. 4. Poor acceleration. When the clutch plates slip, they fail to transfer all the engine's power to the transmission. This results in the engine working harder, but not effectively moving the bike forward, leading to poor acceleration. 5. High engine RPMs. Similar to poor acceleration, if the clutch slips, the engine has to work harder to maintain speed, as not all the power is being transferred to the wheels. This leads to higher than normal RPMs, at a given speed. 6. Burning smell. A burning smell is often due to overheating of the clutch plates. When the clutch slips, friction increases, generating excessive heat and causing the materials in the clutch plates to burn. 7. Excessive free play in the clutch lever. Free play in the clutch lever refers to the amount of movement in the lever before the clutch starts to disengage. Excessive free play can indicate worn clutch plates, or a need for clutch cable adjustment. Worn plates reduce the effective engagement area, leading to the need for more lever movement to engage or disengage the clutch. 8. Juddering or vibration. Juddering or vibration when engaging the clutch can result from warped, or unevenly worn clutch plates. This uneven surface causes inconsistent contact and grip, leading to vibration as the clutch engages or disengages. Understanding these symptoms and their underlying reasons can help diagnose clutch-related issues accurately, ensuring timely repairs, and maintaining the safety and performance of your motorcycle. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more motorcycle tips and maintenance guides.